Hi, my name's Jackson. We're here at ISE 2020. You're in the Marshall booth, and I want to show you some of our new miniature and compact cameras. So here in the booth at ISE, we've got our new CV500 cameras. So what you're looking at right here is our new CV503 camera. So this is our miniature full HD camera. It's used for live events. It's used for installations, reality television, broadcast, sports. Live events is huge for this one because it's so small, it puts out a full HD picture, has interchangeable lenses, remotely adjustable white balance, gamma gain, saturation, pedestal. Everything you would do with a professional camera is just very, very small. So here's the 503. Right here in the corner now, we've got our 503 WP. So this one is just like the 503 I just talked about, but it has an IP67 fully weatherproof housing. So that one is rainproof, mudproof, snowproof. Anything you would do with a small miniature compact camera, you could do it outdoors, leave it in the rain, set it up the day before. If the weather conditions aren't sure what it's going to be, it's a really great camera for anything where it's going to be subject to the elements. From there, we've got the CV343 camera. This is the update over the Marshall CV342. So this one has 3G SDI, also an umbilical breakout cable here for the I/O, which will allow you to access the on-screen menus using this joystick here. And also on the breakout, you've got power, you have your remote adjustable Phoenix connector, and you have stereo audio embedding. So all of the cameras in the new 500 and 300 series have stereo audio embedding, which is really exciting because if you put a mic or line level microphone attached to this camera, it'll embed the audio signal right onto the camera. So a lot of interesting applications there. And lastly, I want to talk here about the CV346. In the same CV300 line, you've got your 3G SDI, you've got your HDMI, and your umbilical here with your on-screen menu control. Interchangeable lenses, remotely adjustable white balance, gamma, gain, saturation, picture settings. A ton of versatility in a very small camera. For more information on these cameras, visit us online at www.marshall-usa.com.